Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great Wednesday. Well, today as you can see we have an unbagging. That means that we have a review, and let's get into it and see what is in this bag. This is an unboxing because there's a box inside of a bag. And it looks like a 14 count. Let me put the scissors away before I get stabbed here. Holy cow. Alright. This kit comes from the BiggestCraft store, and it is 14 count. And before I forget, if they have any specials or any discount codes, or if I have any, it'll be right in here. So let's take a look at this gorgeous picture. I just love this. Yeah, it is 75 by 55, 14 count, as I said, and this should have Egyptian cotton in it. So let's open up the box. Let me see if I can get everything out of the box. Yeah, let's put it over here. All right, does come with how to start, how to finish instructions that most kits do. Let me flip it over so we can get a real good look at all of this. I guess the only picture we're going to have is the one that was on the front. So hang on. I forgot they don't put it in there. But yeah, I thought this had a lot of beautiful elements. I love the blues and the purples. I like the water on the rain. This is called Dusk After Rain. 350 by 250. All right, let's look at the paper pattern. And it is all stapled together. Let me get organized here. And we have a total of 64 colors in here. Now this side are the symbols for the canvas, and the one on the inside goes to the paper pattern. But very well printed, very easy to see. Now let me see if they have, I have to go all the way back. There is only cross stitch in this. So there's no back stitching, there's no French knots, no half cross stitches. But yeah, we're gonna get this. Hang on, I need those scissors back, unfortunately. See if I can get the staple out of there without ruining the paper pattern. My goodness gracious. Give me a second. All right, I am back. Put the scissors away again. Whoops, I missed. Now I'll have to go find it. But yeah, very nicely printed, very easy to see symbols on here. Just absolutely stunning. Let's see what colors we have to work with. We'll go from this end. Let's see. We have 823. No 939. We do have 3371, which is a dark brown. We have B5200 for the white. So, yay. And over here we have 310 black. We also have 154, which I call a mulberry color. I'll point it out when we look at the threads. So let's see, no 550 purple, and no other numbers that I know of, and no 996 or 995, so very nice colors, gorgeous, gorgeous. This looks like it's going to be a little bit confetti. They may be in lines, but we'll see how that all works out. But very nice, beautiful, beautiful kit. We set that aside for a second while we look at the threads. They are Egyptian cotton. Beautiful pale turquoise there. There's your B5200. Kind of mocha colors there. We have 3 thread cards full of color. Whoops. Now it's going to fall off my desk. Oh my goodness. We're just having a Wednesday. All right. That is 3371. Lots of greens. Kind of, oh, what is that word? Muted blues. Kind of has more gray into it. Some beautiful purples. More beautiful blues, purples. Kind of bittersweet oranges here. Just stunning, stunning, stunning colors. And this is the first card. Let's see if I can get them all apart. You have 310 black. Here is that mulberry color that I was speaking of before. We have 2 needles. Beautiful thread cards. They're nice and stiff. I like that. That way they're less likely to tear. We have some olive green, browns. Beautiful blue there. Now on this side we have some turquoises and teals and yellow and golds. Kind of a peach color or maybe a rose color. Yeah, just beautiful, beautiful, stunning colors. Get them all together there. But just absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Beautiful. All right. I'm drooling again. So let's take a look at the canvas. The canvas is in its own bag. It does come with a silica gel to keep it dry. I'm going to take that out and put it over here so I can throw it in the trash so the cat doesn't get to it. Man, they just made that bag around that canvas. Holy cow. My goodness gracious. Now it is serged all the way around. And I wanted to make sure I had it right side up. So it doesn't look too bad, but it's that pathway, pathway in between that looked a little bit confetti, but as you can see, it's just like lines in a Monet, you know, painting. So I think it'll be all right. I was worried about that. It does have how many stitches, by how many stitches, and the product number up here. Nice, big, beautiful, beautiful key over here. Very easy to see what's going on. Nice big symbols. Just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Let's measure this. And I've forgotten what I said, how big it was, but we'll measure and give you an estimate. So 74 centimeters, or a tad bit over 29 inches by 56 centimeters, or 21 3/4 inches. The actual picture size is 17 3/4 inches, or 45 centimeters by a little bit over 25 inches, or 63.5 centimeters. So it's fair good size. It does have some big areas to stitch in, which is nice. It's a refreshing change from Colorful Town. I couldn't think what I wanted to call it. Where it's just like every 10 seconds you're kind of changing colors. There's not too much. You just do a little bit, and then you got to go hunt up the symbol, where this has got nice big areas to stitch in. It's just a stunning, sorry, you knew I had to hit that, stunning canvas. like the trees and these buildings and all of that glow kind of color, like in the cobblestones or pathway, if you will. You have a little piece of fuzz there, nothing to worry about. But nice big areas, so that'll be very, very nice. I can hardly wait to start on this. And this canvas is not white per se, it's just a tad bit of a cream color to it so that it's off-white. So very nice. We will be starting this afternoon at 1 Mountain Standard Time. So do check in then, and I'll have a video on a start with that. Now, BiggestCraft has cross stitch, no diamond painting, so they only have sewing things, you know, like embroidery or beaded cross stitch. They have silk cross stitch as well. They always have a wide variety of things to choose from. They also have punch needle things, and they also sell Q-snap, like Q-snaps, not Q-snap per se, frames. So they always have something for everyone there, and a wide variety. Great prices, great customer service. So do check them out. Thank you everyone for watching today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.